Hello everyone. We have a question. It says that express 16x square minus 24x plus 10 in the form of 4x plus a whole square plus b. So basically we have to convert a quadratic standard form into a completing square form. This question is a bit different from the other questions that we normally get in the paper. Normally, the question that we get in the paper consists of a coefficient 1 for x square, and definitely when converted to a completing square form over here also the coefficient of x is 1, but in this case it is 16 over here and we need the answer in the form of 4x. So definitely for this condition we have to go with another way to solve it. We cannot simply the way we solve the other question by dividing the coefficient of x by 2 and then squaring it. We cannot move like that. The process is very simple because we have to convert it into a completing square form, and this is a perfect square. So for making a perfect square, definitely we will work according to the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Why negative? Because 24x is negative, so definitely we will work according to the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this 16x square when converted to a proper square would be 4x with a square. That means the coefficient, the value of a is 4x, not the coefficient, the value of a is 4x, and this negative 24x is basically representing minus 2ab. Because we know the value of a, which is 4x, we could simply equate both of them and we could get the value of b. So the process is very simple. Just simply write minus 2 and instead of a write 4x and then multiply by b, because basically we need b, and make it equal to this negative 24x, and we need b, and b would be equal to minus 24x divided by this minus 2 for the 8x, and after cancelling the x, the negative sign, and 8 3 is 24, finally we have got b as 3. So whatever we have got the value of b, just square it, and after squaring it, whatever the answer come, just add and subtract, so that finally we could convert it into a proper square form, which is the requirement of the question. So we did the same, 16x square minus 24x, and we added 9 and subtracted 9, and whatever was there positive 10, we have written it after that. Now this 16x square minus 24x plus 9 is basically a perfect square according to the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, which can be written in the form of a minus b whole square, and we have done the same. The value of a is 4x that we got over here, and the value of b is 3, and the negative sign due to this, so this is converted to exact square form, and this negative 9 plus 10 when simplified is positive 1. So finally we have converted the given quadratic standard form into a completing square form. This was an additional step that normally we don't do, but definitely when we have a condition where definitely we have a coefficient of x other than 1, definitely we have to go through this process.